Our favorite chocolates history. Chocolates, those sweet chocolates we were so crazy about as a child. And are crazy about until now, seem to be staying with us as we grow old. The history of chocolates would tell us that these chocolates have always been there all our lives. That is why we can probably name about 20 or more brands or kinds of chocolates in a matter of minutes. We may run out of names of chocolates we know, but the glorious taste that these chocolates give us will linger on. Just about anyone who's ever been a child knows what that dark, melts-in-your-mouth goodness tastes like. They came in different colors, in bags, in boxes, with nuts and shells and marshmallows and creams. They are molded practically into any shape you can just imagine. It is just about time we go down the memory lane and retrace our steps leading us to our top 5 brands of chocolates in the entire history of such delicacy sweets. Mars. The company that brought us the well-loved Milky Way and the now more popular candy bar, Snickers, were established in 1911 by Frank C. Mars, whose love for cooking chocolate stemmed from his mother's hand-dipped candies he sold when he was 19. His initial venture failed, but with the help of his son, Forrest Mars, and the ingenious Milky Way introduced as chocolate malted milk in a candy bar, Mars, Incorporated became one of the top-selling candy companies at that time. To this day, Mars, Inc. remains to be a family-owned business and is famous for being very private in their business and personal affairs. M&M's, Milky Way, Twix, Maltesers, Snickers, Skittles, Three Musketeers, Combos, Galaxy and Summit Candy Bar are just some of the popular chocolates that Mars, Inc. has introduced to chocolate lovers all over the world. Lindt Sprungly AG. The Lindt chocolatier is known for Lindor, chocolate with a smooth filling that comes in a bar or balls, introduced in 1955. Despite the seemingly young popularity of the Lindor, this company has been around since 1845. The father and son tandem of David Sprungly Schwartz and Rudolf Sprungly Amann established a tiny confectionery store in Zurich. They eventually built a factory of hard chocolates. Due to the financial crisis, the company decided to close about 65% of its stores in the United States on March 17, 2009. Today, the factories in Switzerland, Germany, France, Italy, Austria and the United States. Ghirardelli Chocolate Company. The second oldest manufacturer of chocolates in the United States, was born in 1817 through the efforts of Domenico Ghirardelli. His humble beginnings saw Uruguay and later Lima, Peru, where he opened a confectionery store. It was only in 1849 when he moved to California and sold confections to miners. After only a few years, the Ghirardelli Chocolate Company was incorporated in 1852. His empire grew in San Francisco until they moved to San Leandro in 1965. On the other hand, it was in 1998 that Lindt Sprungly AG acquired the company while maintaining its full subsidiary status. Until now, millions of people all over the world are still so passionate about eating the Lindt chocolates. The kind of chocolate that when you put in your mouth, it melts and the sweet taste lingers. That is how I remember eating Lindt chocolates even when I was still a child. That first bite you will never forget. Really, the history of chocolates has its own way of etching memories on our minds.